Hi and welcome to Web Learning. This is a quick update on a small UPS device that I got from Banggood. I've added a small switch here on the left that you have to add, either short the jumpers or add a switch. I took apart the small resistor right here because as it works today it's a 12 volt and I want this to work as 6 volt because it's only one battery. So what I did, I connected a small resistor that I can change the values. I used a 200 kilo ohm resistor. After finding out what resistance makes a 6 volt, I've connected it back to my multimeter and I found out it's 130 kilo ohms. So let me quickly hook up 130 kilo ohms and I'll turn it back on. Playing around with the resistors, I added 120 kilo ohms. That was the closest I got, and I got almost 5.5 volts. And now I changed it to 150 kilo ohms. Again, that's the closest I have to 135 kilo. I got 6.6. In the resistor values, you can either leave the variable resistor, but in the resistor values, if you get this type of resistors, so you can either have 120, 130, or 150. And 130 is just a bit lower than 6 volts, and as you can see, 150 it's only 6.6 volts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to get notification when I upload new videos.